Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the topic of Roman period. This topic is the part of GNDU syllabus of MSc Fashion Designing in the subject of global costumes. Now firstly, I will explain the introduction of Roman period. Roman period is a most powerful and most one of the largest civilization in the history. This civilization was established on the Tiber River in modern day Italy in 753 BC. The civilization that emerged in the Roman is known as the Roman civilization. The rise and fall of many kings appeared in this civilization. Roman genius and industries were different incentives towards agriculture, government, laws, and wars. The culture of Roman representing the final stages of classical civilization in Western Europe. Let's discuss about Roman clothing. Firstly, Roman clothing is the most important clothing in Roman peoples. This clothing is consist of togas, tunic, and stola, but different type of colors and different type of patterns are used in this period, and most Romans were worn a off-white color and colorful clothing and dyed their color for natural resources natural resources clothing in The next is Roman clothing. Roman clothing, in which the most common clothing and most simple clothing in the Roman period worn by men and women. Roman clothing consists of toga, tunic, and stola, but different type of clothing are present different member of public, and those is different position of power. Most Romans worn off-white and colorful clothing and dyed their color in purple, indigo, red, yellow, and all the color are providing and made of natural resources like plants, flowers, insects, etc. But different type of material important from different countries like fine material linen from Egypt, cotton from India, and silk from China. Silk was quite rare and extremely expensive fabric. They use only king dresses, and basically two type of Roman clothing. Firstly, tunic, and second, toga. Tunic is a basic garment and toga is a national garment of Roman clothing. Now let's explain the detail. First one, the tunic. Left side I show the picture. The tunic was the most basic garment worn by the woman. It was the standard dresses in ancient Roman, draped around the body, and this is unstitched garment. Only Roman and slaves that was only thing would put on before going outside, and Roman period hold the garment use the belt. The second is toga. Toga is a the second is toga. The second is toga. I will show, you can show. The second is toga. The next is toga. Right side you can see the picture of statue. Only free citizens could wear toga and drape around the body. This is a semicircular garment, and foreigners and exiting citizens could not wear a toga, and at first the toga was worn directly where necked body, then later a simple tunic was added underneath, and toga is a off-white color, and this is drape around the body. The next is men's clothing. Men of Roman period clothing according to social factors, social status, and gender. Men of ancient Roman dresses depend on their class or rank. For example, the slaves dresses differently costumes than an empire. This is two type of garment where lower class and upper class men. The dresses of lower class men was a very simple and used of woolen fabrics, cotton fabrics and linen fabrics. They made from very lowest prices clothing, and they worn a low prices of material in their clothing, and they usually worn a plain white tunic, and if they worn the toga over that. Upper class toga is a very rich toga, look like the right side picture you can see, and they men wear a toga, and there are two different type of toga, lower class toga and upper class toga. The rich man was use their clothing, the richness को दिखाने के लिए ये क्लोथिंग को यूज करते हैं. हायर क्लास मैन जो है वो फेंटा और पल माटा यूज करते हैं. द हायर क्लास मैन वोन ए पर्पल और रेड कलर इन दिस टोगा और क्लैरिफाई दिस रैंक. The next you can see the picture, different type of men dresses, different type of men dresses like richness or like show the richness and lowest. The next is woman clothing. वुमेन इज ए बेसिकली यूज्ड टोगा, लेकिन बहुत ही रेयर वुमेन्स हैं जो टोगा को पहनती हैं और उनको लॉ होता है टोगा पहनने के लिए. टोगा वाज ए मार्क ऑफ डिसग्रेसेस फॉर वुमेन एंड मैरिड वुमेन वॉर्न दी स्टोलाज. स्टोला इज ए मोस्ट कंपल्सरी फॉर वॉर्न दी वुमेन, एंड वुमेन डिड नॉट go out. Women did not go out door without wearing a shorts of cloth or toga and shawl. This shawl and piece of cloth is called a pala. Pala is a stole worn by women. The next is footwear. Different type of footwear used in Roman period, worn by men and women. This is made of leather and according to social class and status. Women also defined a person positions in society, and women worn a white color, green color and yellow color footwears, and a closed shoes also wear. Men wear a red color and red color in the sandals, and senators wear brown colors, and consular wear worn white shoes, and soldiers worn heavy boots and made from leathers. And the next is the women and men hairstyles. The women and men हेयर स्टाइल्स जो है वो ग्रीक फैशन को ज्यादा फॉलो करते थे. दे ग्रू लश वियर्ड एंड लॉन्ग हेयर्स, एंड जो यंग मेंस थे वो हेयर कट या क्लीन शेव रखना पसंद करते थे. वुमेन स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड मनी इन देयर हेयर्स, एंड द डिफरेंट हेयर स्टाइल्स they can wear, and you can see the picture in below. The right side is woman hairstyles and left side is men hairstyle, and the most expensive feather and features of woman hairstyles was the use of wings and veils. They can much more money spend in their hairstyle. The next is jewelry. Roman jewelry is collected and more than jewelry to wear. The next is jewelry. Roman women collect and worn more jewelry than men, and women जो है वो ज़्यादा jewelry wear करती थी according to men. And the next is jewelry. Let's know about jewelry of Rome. Let's know about the jewelry of Roman period. Roman women collected and worn more jewelry than men. Men worn only rings, and women usually jewelry like earrings, necklace, bracelets, and armlets. They made from handicraft men's, and they are made of pearls, gold pearls, and many more. And one choker style necklace, two bracelet, and multi rings would be worn at once time. Thank you so much. Let's know about jewelry of Roman period. Roman women collected and worn more jewelry than men. Men worn only rings, and women wore more jewelry. Where, and you can see the picture in below. Women wear necklace, bracelet, rings, and armlet, anklet. They all are made from gold, made of gold. Uh, they all are made of gold. And let's know about jewelry of Roman. Let's know about jewelry of Roman period worn by men and women. Roman women collected and worn more jewelry than men. Men worn only rings, and women usually had precious stones in their jewelry. And they made a jewelry of gold, pearls, and stones. And you can see the picture in below. The woman wear a necklace, bracelets. The statue of woman wear necklace. The next is now let's now let's know about jewelry of Roman period worn by men and women. Roman women collected and worn more jewelry than men. Women usually jewelry more, and they would. Now let's know about jewelry of Roman period. Roman जो worn by men and women. Roman women collecting and worn more jewelry than men, and men worn only rings and women worn much jewelry. You can see the picture in below. Roman woman statue was worn a jewelry like necklace, bracelet, ring, armlet, and anklet. They are all are made from gold and precious stones, and they can one choker style necklace, two bracelet, and multi rings would be worn at once time. A woman worn a jewelry many more. Now let's know about the jewelry of Roman period worn by men and women. Roman women collect and worn more jewelry than men. Women usually had so now let's know about jewelry of Roman period. So let's know about Roman period jewelry worn by men and women. Roman women collected and worn more jewelry than men, and Roman women जो है वो mostly men के accordingly ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी को पहनना पसंद करती थी, और ये mostly you can see the picture in below. The Roman statue of woman worn a necklace, bracelet, ring, and armlet, and they all are made of gold, pearls, and stones, precious stones, and choker style necklace, two bracelet, and multi rings worn by women in a once a time. I hope you. Now let's know about the jewelry of Roman clothing. Roman clothing. Now let's know about the jewelry of Roman period worn by men and women. Roman women collected and worn more jewelry than men. Men worn only rings and women worn a necklace, bracelet, armlet and anklet. They made of gold, silver and precious stones and pearls and they are much more jewelry wear and one choker style necklace, two bracelet and multiple rings would be worn at a once. You can see the picture in below. The woman statue of Roman period is worn a much more jewelry. Thank you.